What is it? What'd you get?
I want to see him step on a squeaker.
That's, I haven't even squeaked it. I can't believe you still. What is it?
I told you he opened presents.
Boy, I guess we can't leave Sparky here by himself. He'd probably open all the presents.
No.
Well, she
He
gave
needs
me.
some toys in it. What is it? Oh my goodness, what is it? Oh boy. Wow.
Look at a stocking.
Wow. You want would you like some help?
Oh my god, he's probably gonna get it over by himself.
Eh,
You want some help? You want some help, buddy?
Here, buddy.
Let's see. I think he won't let us have it. Hey, you want me to help you, baby? Here. Hurry.
Here, let me open.
Lexi,
I'm gonna open the top for him. See if he can get it out.
look.
No, look. Look.
Here, let me.
Look. Ah.
That was pretty funny. Wow, I couldn't even get anything to squeak to do it. He just